Okay, today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about live video on Facebook. Listen, I know you're saying I can't do live, I have a weird voice, I don't like my hair, I don't like my face, right? But listen, it's the number one way to get in front of your customers. Facebook likes video. They like it when you do live videos. Your customers love live video. So get over your anxiety, fake it till you make it, and let's do some live video and get your page seen by more customers. In boot camp in February, we're going to spend 5 straight days working on boosting your confidence, showing you how to set up, tips and tricks for getting the best lighting and the best video. We're also going to talk about ideas for videos, so you don't have to try to come up with ideas. We're going to give you so many ideas. I'm bringing Courtney in, who is the queen of live video, and she's going to help us with all of her tips and tricks from doing live video as successfully as she has, okay? And we're going to spend the time to review your live videos and answer all of your questions. That's just 1 week of Facebook Bootcamp for furniture artists, okay? That's just 1 week. In 4 days, we're going to get you pumped up enough that you're going to be like, I can do this. I can do live video. I used to be scared of it too. I used to do my makeup, make sure everything was perfect, start and stop like 25 times, get upset about it. But here's the truth. Your customers like you. They like the real, authentic you. So all you have to do is be yourself. You don't have to fix your hair. You can put a baseball cap on. You don't have to put lipstick on. You can just do a little chapstick. You don't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be the perfect setup and the perfect background. It can be in your workshop or your studio. But you do have to do it, okay? So we're gonna get you going. We're gonna pump you up, get you confident, and give you ideas on what you can do so you don't have to think so hard on it. So I'm hoping that you're thinking about signing up. It's 29 bucks. And in those 4 days, you're gonna get more than $29 worth of training and information and mentoring and one-on-one review, okay? So get your butts in there. I wanna see lots of people in my Facebook Bootcamp this month. See you there.